what up, guys? Hey, so we're just on our way down here to the Huntsville Hornet Call Out welding competition, biggest one in the state of Texas. So yeah, stayed in a crappy motel last night. Turns out motels are hard to find in Texas. As they had that big cold snap, you know, had all those cracked pipes. That's cracked pipes, not cracked pipes, but had all those cracked pipes, and yeah, put a lot of people out of water and power, and so, you know, a lot of the motels and hotels and Airbnbs and whatnot, they're kind of jam-packed with Texas refugees, so it's made it kind of tricky for us to get some place to stay. But yeah, that's about it. We're heading down to Huntsville. We're gonna be setting up. We're gonna share a table with Outlaw Leather boys. They're good dudes, of course, you know. And we're looking forward. It's gonna be a good time. Looking forward to it. Met some great people last couple days that we've been here. Yeah, that's about it. Looking forward to it. Stay tuned. We're coming up with some updates along the day.
Where we just pull up to.
Huntsville High. Hey, what up, guys? So we're just wrapping up this event down here in Huntsville, Texas, and I'm sitting with the Arkansas Elite Welding Academy guys. I'm hoping some of this fame and fortune will rub off on me.
It will if they go to our TikTok.
Yeah, plug it. Plug the TikTok. We'll throw it in there.
So let's check out these guys right here. And for one, make sure you check out Sensei Sake.
All day.
Welding.
Best in the business.
That's right. That's right.
First we're going to give out is $2,500. You can go there for $5,000. Savannah Jensen. The final scholarship of the Northwestern Welding Academy in the amount of $10,000. Axel Percentage.
We're back on the road, and we're headed over to Rudder High School. There's a bunch of dudes that want to be welders over there. We're going to go weld with them. I mean, little disclaimer, I have not had my 6-shot mocha yet, so I got to spruce all this up, you know what I mean? So we're down here in Shreveport, Louisiana. We're getting some new posters printed out, some new flyers, because we just wore slap smooth out. So yeah, we're gonna be here for, I don't know, probably another hour. And then we're gonna run north for Mississippi to a city, I can't pronounce the name, Muscovia or Moscovia. We're gonna weld with 2 high schools up there. And then we're going to drop down to, I think, Montgomery County, Mississippi, somewhere in there, for Wednesday or Thursday. So, yeah, check it out. Little update for you. Tomorrow, we're going to go and weld at a school in Mississippi. A guy named Nathan Hutchinson. So, pretty excited about that. And then I think we're going to head over to another school in Mississippi. Confirmation on that. We've been talking to the high school teacher, so we'll see what happens there. It's like the crappiest coffee shop I've ever been to in my life. Like, it doesn't even compare. One thing I've noticed is if there's like a super rundown motel, which we've been staying in a bunch of them, they always compensate with water pressure. Like super rundown motels, they always got good water pressure. Why is that? Yeah, janky, super janky coffee shop. Hey Jack, we're over here, Spot Load Technical Center in Lewisburg, Tennessee. And man, I like Tennessee already. I've been to Tennessee, but I ain't spent a ton of time here. And I like this place also. What's up, guys? So yeah, we just crossed back into home territory, Wyoming. Feels amazing to be on home soil. You know, this right here is God's country. We had a great time. Went out to a lot of schools, got to see a lot of things, got to meet a lot of really cool people, a lot of people that are passionate about this industry, you know. I feel like we made a difference, we made an impact, you know, and really like at the end of the day, we're in a race with the rest of the world, and without skilled people, it's really, really tough for our American companies to manufacture things here. And the more things that we can manufacture and produce here in America, the more wealth our society will have. The best way to bring manufacturing back and boost the current manufacturing that we have here in America is with welders. And that's what we're so excited about with Western Welding Academy, and that's why we're so proud and so passionate about going out and talking to these high school students and talking to the high school instructors, and just meeting all these good people that are involved with the blue collar industry. I just can't thank these people enough. You know, we started in Texas and did a big old loop east. We're tired. We're tired. We're wore out. We did a lot of welding, a lot of driving, a lot of traveling. But it was good. It was good. So I'd like to thank everybody for inviting us into their schools, inviting us into their homes, the hospitality. We had a great time. If you'd like us to come to your school, go ahead and drop a comment down below. Send us a direct message on our website, westernweldingacademy.com, or send us a direct message on Instagram. You know, that's a great way to reach us. But if you like this content, go ahead and smash that like button, ring the bell for notifications, and drop us a comment, subscribe, share the video. You know, let's make blue collar great again.